Couldn't make it bigger, you know.
Wow, Christina's so fast I could barely
had the four-wheeler with a frickin'
barely keep up to you.
Open this right up for us.
Your pant leg is down too.
We need some music out here so we can do some dances.
Paige, sing for us. Nice, Christina.
Sing for us, Melanie. Look at her. She's so serious. She's doing serious ballerina stuff here. Look at her. Oh! 2 points off.
It's part of the show.
Oh. Yay!
Whoa! Christina! Wow, man.
That's skill.
Okay, now it's your turn, Mel. Let's see you do it. Spinner, man.
What do I do on the skate?
Whoa, Christina, man. You're awesome. She's ready for the Olympics. Oh, yeah, here we go.
No, it's not the hard one. Christina, where'd you throw the...
Yeah, you guys could be like the Blades of Glory or whatever it was called. Remember that movie with Will Ferrell and Napoleon Dynamite? Whoa! I thought that was going to be a headbutt.
Yeah, I thought that was...